Alright, today I'm going to feature this lock that was passed down to me from the lockpick community. I believe the helpful lockpicker had picked it for one of his videos. It was from the Sightless Senshi and Lady Lockpicker. Back it says, "Oh my, how lewd." Alright, let's see. Guess we'll show it's a working lock. Stick a little bit. Alright, there's the key. Give this bad boy a shot here. Alright. To be honest, I did do it last night, but I got into about 12 minutes, and by the time I got it open and decided I should probably do it a little bit quicker for a video, so here we go again. Alright. It's a fighter, I can tell you that. Everything's just really, there's a slight false set, but that don't mean a whole lot, I found out. It's really crunchy. Really crunchy in there. Whoop. I think that was like 3, I'm not sure. Might need a slightly deeper. Is it from the Sparrows? Yeah, it puts up a heck of a fight. I think that might have been 5. See, and now it just kind of can't get nothing to react to the pick. Not sure what they put in there, but I feel like, well, I don't know, it's hard to say. I may have already overset something, because now nothing's, now I've got nothing. Let me see. Oh, deeper false set. But again, it just kind of dies on me there. Got a slight counter rotation. I don't know if that was a good idea though. There we go. Yes. Alright. Okay, get this sucker gutted on camera here. Wow. Alright, hang on to that. Keep that on the camera. Oh boy. Alright. Bring this down a little bit over here. Get the light over there. Boy, oh boy, I'll tell you what. That good right there for now, I guess. Alright. Good light on there. Focus out a little bit. Okay. Jesus. Schlag type follower. Oh, nice. honestly, I feel like I got lucky on that one, because I'm telling you, last night I was trying to do it on camera and it got very lengthy. And I thought, you know what, we don't want a 15-20 minute video, so alright, it's unlocked. I guess I can use the same thing, a plastic follower if it'll fit. Oh, stoked. You know what, I wonder if I should do a, just in case, because that thing acted really crazy on me, do a shim. My hand's shaking a little bit out of excitement. Alright, come on baby, there we go. Alright, pins are over here, set that down. Alright, see what we got here. One, wow, beautiful. 2 looks like a standard key pin, so is 3. 4 is a long standard key pin. Okay, so yeah, we got a pretty good size, I guess a spool, well, or a wide serration on the number 1 key pin. I'll zoom in and get these on a better shot on those. Getting a little out of whack here. Okay, excited, that's all. Get that light back here. Okay, up inside here we've got looks like a wide I guess a serration, number 1. Wow, it's a crazy looking spool type. I don't know what you'd call that. Number 2, like I said, I'll get a close-up on these. 3, it's heavily serrated. 4, oh, got 2 pieces in 4. I can't get them out of there. Here we go. Okay, some kind of T-pin looking thing in 4. It's a 2-piece. Yeah, it's some sort of 2-piece, I don't know, 2-piece T-pin combobulation. I'm not sure. Jeez, better go this way. And the last one. Looks like a kind of a double serrated looking thing. I'll put a close-up on these real quick. Chamber looks all normal. Okay, the core, they're all threaded, it looks like. Alright, close-up on the pins. Oh, this is fantastic. Alright, let me see. Close up on the pins. There we go. Beautiful. See, there was 2 pieces in that number 4 chamber. Again, thanks to the Sightless Senshi and Lady Lockpicker. Oh my, how lewd. I believe it was also featured on the Helpful Lockpickers channel. Thank you so much for passing it my way, and thank you all for watching.